Welcome to Ngobo Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Tada. This is Ngobo Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. My brother, kunjani futhi?
Ngiyaphila Ngobo man, hey kunzima Ngobo, hey ngisiphithiphithi man Ngobo. Mata oqala isibo kunzima Ngobo, sibongise kona analama team amancane besehlula vele Ngobo, singabe yasikhuluma iqiniso besehlula. If masikhona ukuthola 6 points maybe ngasusa yesisa ku top 4 akazi. Yeah, but Ngobo enye problem ekusasene problem enzima man. But manje akusona isikhathi sokufuka iproblem right now Ngobo. Now Ngoba kunenkinga kusela amagame amanga ku level. So kumele sifocus entweni eyenza ke manje. Not kona sithi into kanje kuzoba nenkinga manje yonke into siyilungise no Ngobo ngangcono into isizini iphele abantu after that si raise nama voice isizini iphele understand yes Ngobo
so uthi abantu banga complain kwamanje
okwamanje Ngobo yes but manje Ngobo singanid complainer asinide ukuphusha le team sise ku top 4 sise ku number 3 ucomplainer manje akusinidi Ngobo kulezi inkinga esibhekane nazo kunide kali solution ucomplainer Ngobo siyekeni kancane awuthiyana
mobhekile solution ngaba yini
solution Ngobo mina ngendlela engibona ngayo futhi le ndlela le into yokukhulunyelwa ngabantu ngayo Ngobo iproblem ekhona it's not the players ezithengwayo Ngobo problem enginayo iDDC yethu Ngobo iphuwa since from 2007 akuna DDC Ngobo ama players asuka from ku development kuthi wathathe 4 years mina ngibona uFarukani Ngobo yes na umbonile uFarukani bekhipha ama players adlalayo awethu ama players Ngoba ne problem but ane talent ane problem se wrong coach kumele ahlale 4 years but is a wrong coach kuthi DDC kumele ukutholakala i-technical director Ngobo strong
but iDDC ni winile nje last season
si winile Ngobo but where the players lezi was rated is 1 or 2 understand is ready na problem yami njengabo mduwo bani ngine problem ngayo lezi intwana ziko ready kumele sithathe 4 years to 5 years ukuthi zidlale Ngobo understand but now Ngobo kumele kube lo muntu ocapable njengoFarukani da owazi kona kunentwana ene talent ngiyayifaka same time idala understand yes ne technical team Ngobe enye problem enginayo analyst ethu poor Ngobo kwa analyst problem is poor yes poor angifuni ukutshela amanga zipoor kubuye ne fitness trainer Ngobo nje problem ngayo understand so Ngobo
sinama injury amaningi
yes Ngobo mina into engizama kuyisho kufana ne Federation Cup ngasho masi compete kuthi asinama analyst la akuna ama technical coach ngabantu abaqala abana ama mistakes asina into ekhona ukuthi ayigood mina problem futhi sehloka way to defend the problem way to defend corners the problem understand nokumesa ama chances i-team le la majita la coach Ngobo now we don't understand babaluzile from direction but okwamanje Ngobo abaqedelele into abayiqalileyo kungasali ngiyabonga Ngobo
siyabonga